All right, last video of the day. Let's just talk a little bit about Nayla here, right? So Nayla plans to make small cheese pizzas to sell at the school carnival. She has 9 blocks of cheese. How many pizzas could she make if each pizza needs the given amount of cheese? So let's think about it. With all of these, we're going to start with the total amount of cheese that we have, which is that 9 blocks. And for all of them, right, to write 9 as a fraction is 9 over 1. So we're going to be using 9 over 1 for every one of these. And maybe I'll just do B, D, and F. Those are the ones that we'll review, right? So let's go ahead and start with B. 9 over 1 divided by 1/4. This is what we're asking here is how many quarter blocks of cheese fit inside of 9 blocks. So 9 times 1 is 9, and 1 times 4 is 4. Now we've got an improper fraction. Oh, wait a second. I apologize. Let's backtrack. I didn't flip. I could have restarted the video, but let's, I'm a human too. We all make errors. So let's try that again. 9 over 1, that's our copy. Our dot to multiply, and then we take the reciprocal of the 1/4. 4 over 1, right? So now we're going to multiply straight across. This will make much more sense as an answer. 9 times 4 is 36, and 1 times 1 is 1. Well, it's an improper fraction. Let's make it proper. How many times does 1 fit into 36? 36 times, which means 36 what? How many pizzas can she make? 36 pizzas. There we go. Okay, let's take a look at D. Again, we're going to start with our 9 over 1, right? 9 blocks of cheese. And we're going to divide that by 2/3 of a block. So these are going to be cheesier pizzas than the last one. Well, let's go ahead. 9 over 1, that's our copy. Dot to multiply and flip. That reciprocal of 2/3 is 3 over 2. 9 times 3 is 27. And 2 times 1 is 2. How many times does 2 go into 7? 13 times, right? 2 times 13 is 26. And there is a half left over, right? And we're going to jump ahead here for a second because A2 says, well, the answer to part D is a mixed number, 13.5 pizzas. What does the fractional part of the answer mean? Well, it means that if each pizza has to have 2/3 of a cup of cheese on it, after we make 13 pizzas, we only have enough cheese left to make half of a pizza, right? 1/3 of a cup left. That we don't have enough to cover a whole pizza. All right, last but not least, 9 over 1, right? Our 9 blocks of cheese, and we're going to divide that by 4/3 of a block. Now, I notice that's more than a block. It's a block and a third. That's a very, very, very cheesy pizza, right? 4/3 is an improper fraction. It's greater than 1. So now we will copy, dot, and take our reciprocal. There we go. 9 times 3 is 27. 4 times 1 is 4. 8, 12, 13, 20, 24. So it's going to go in 6 times, which is 24. With 3 left over. There we go. So for F, we can make 6 3/4 of a very, very, very cheesy pizza. All right, y'all. I hope that was helpful. If you have questions, please feel free to send me an email, send me a Google Hangout. I am super proud of you.